So to summarize, number 1, shift your mindset and create a new identity for yourself. Make the firm decision that I am now a person who, and fill in the blank. 2, start small. Make it so simple to start that you break any resistance and prioritize one new habit at a time. 3, use habit stacking and anchor points during your day to stitch new habits into the fabric of positive habits you do every day, like brushing your teeth or during regularly scheduled blocks of free time. 4, be consistent. Set reminders for yourself until your new habit is on autopilot. 5, repetition and resilience. This isn't about perfection, it's about repetition and getting back up if you fall down. Research shows it is most effective to take on one habit change at a time. It can take anywhere from 18 days to 6 months to fully integrate a new habit, with an average of about 66 days per habit. So pick your top priority, create your new mindset, start small, use habit stacking and anchor points, be consistent, and repeat, repeat, repeat. And if you get off track, remember every single moment is a new beginning where you can cultivate your resilience. Set yourself up for success and watch yourself become the new you. If you want to go really deeply into this topic, I highly recommend Atomic Habits by James Cleary. And that's it for this mini workshop. I wish you a beautiful, kind, creative time until I see you again on another video from Vita COLITUR.